How to play Roblox while listening to Spotify. Hi guys! In today's video, I'll teach you how to play Roblox while listening to Spotify. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open Spotify. Here, play a specific song. Now, head over to Roblox. Once you're in Roblox, find the game you want by searching for it. Here, I am going for Hoops Life. After locating the game, click on it to start playing. The game will load for a minute or two, and then you'll see the game interface. Next, click on the Roblox icon at the top. Then, go to Settings. In Settings, find the volume option. Click the minus button to lower the volume. Now, your Spotify music will continue playing while you enjoy Roblox. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.